nitrogen monoxide spacecraft has ever died this emotionally. October 15, 1997, a rocket launches from Cape Canaveral. Payload, Cassini spacecraft. Destination, Saturn, 1.5 billion kilometers away. Journey time, 7 years. Return ticket, none. This wasn't just a space mission. This was humanity's letter to the farthest worlds. Cassini wasn't alone on that journey. Inside it carried the dreams of thousands of engineers and scientists, the curiosity of millions who looked at the sky and asked what's out there. Cassini was a piece of humanity's soul. When it reached Saturn in 2004, applause erupted at Mission Control, but the real adventure was just beginning. January 14, 2005, the Huygens probe landed on Titan. We saw methane lakes, river channels, ice rocks. Another world, like looking at Earth 4 billion years ago. But the biggest surprise came from nowhere. Enceladus, a tiny moon, only 500 kilometers wide. In 2005, Cassini saw giant water plumes. It flew through them and found liquid water, salt, organic molecules, hydrogen, everything needed for life. Beneath the ice was an ocean, and perhaps in that dark water there was life. For 13 years, Cassini studied Saturn, magnificent rings, billions of ice particles, the perfect hexagonal storm at the North Pole. Saturn was full of mysteries. But in 2017, fuel was running out. NASA faced a difficult decision. Let Cassini drift. What if it crashed into Enceladus and contaminated that potential habitat? No. The decision was made. Cassini would be sacrificed. April 13, 2017, the grand finale began. 22 times it passed between Saturn and its rings, regions no spacecraft had ever been. Each pass sent magnificent data. It got so close to the rings, almost touching them. September 13, 2017, final photographs. Titan, Enceladus, the rings. 75 photos combined into a farewell mosaic. Then it pointed its camera at the spot where it would burn the next day. It photographed its own end. September 15, 2017. For 55 a.m., Cassini entered Saturn's atmosphere at 70,000 mph. Temperature exceeded 2,700 degrees. First 30 seconds, thrusters fired, trying to stay stable. 60 seconds, solar panels ripped off. 85 seconds, breaking apart but still transmitting data. Second 91, signal lost. Silence at JPL Mission Control. 10 seconds, nobody spoke, then applause. They were crying and clapping. People who had given 30 years to this project. It achieved unimaginable success. 294 orbits, 453,048 photographs, 635 gigabytes of data, and most importantly, it found oceans where life could exist. Cassini left humanity a gift, the gift of hope. Cassini's atoms are now part of Saturn. Forever, this was a reflection of the human spirit, our curiosity, courage, and responsibility. Cassini taught us true exploration isn't just arriving, it's also protecting. Cassini didn't come home, but Cassini was already home.